Year is 2049. Paris's newly renovated terminal at Charles de Gaulle Airport is hosting a very special aircraft. Airbus's first hypersonic scramjet commercial airliner. This new age aircraft is able to fly 200 passengers up to a top speed of Mach 6 using scramjet technologies developed in the year 2021. Crossing the Atlantic in under 2 hours, this will change the game just like the jet engine did to the propeller and usher in a new age of flying. Are you ready? Put on your seatbelt because it's going to be very fast. Welcome to the hypersonic Mach 6 future. This hypersonic concept aircraft is called the Draco, and it is a fantasy envisioning of a future of aviation as we know it today. It's designed for trunk routes, those flown by aircraft like the Boeing 777 or the Airbus A350 between capitals like Paris, New York, or London to Singapore. But these planes will go much faster, clocking in under 2 hours between North America and Europe, and even quicker over the North Pole to Asia. Unlike the planes that we fly on today, the hypersonic concept plane's engines are decidedly different. This aircraft has twin TBCC engines, or known as the turbine-based combined cycles engine concept. This is how it works. It's all about having the most efficient engine at the right speed. At low speeds, the plane uses a typical turbofan engine to fly and cruise like a normal plane today would. When the aircraft